బాగున్నాం. మర్చిపోయినట్టున్నారు. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 31, 6, 5, 8, 21 and 80. First one into 1 minus 1. Next one into 2. Next into 3 minus 3. Next one into 4 minus 4. Next one into 5 minus 5. What the answer? 395. Next 32. 35 2s how much? 17 minus 3. 67 2s 134 minus 3. Means last one also into 2 minus 3 na. What the answer? Next question number 33. What is the first one difference? Next one 8. Next one 12. Next one 21. 7 and 8 difference. 8 and 12. 12 and 21. Next one 37. 59 plus 37. 96. Next question number 34. 31 is how much? 13 minus 10 or plus 10? Next one into 2 minus 10. Next one into 3 minus 10. Next one into 4 minus 10. Next one into 5 minus 10. What is the answer? 1540. Next question number 35. What is the first one difference? Second one. Next one 25. Next one means odd number squares. Next one 81. What is the answer? 216. Before solving the pie chart, first quadratic equations. Question number 42. X square minus 19x plus 60 equal to 0. Product 60. Sum is 19. And 1 will be 15. Another one 4. Second one, what is the product value? 240. But sum is 31. Means 1 is 15. Another one 16. First 15 compared to 15 equal. 15 compared to 16 less. 4 compared to 15 comma 16 less. Then answer x equal to y. Next question number 43. Direct question. What are the initial roots of first equation? Negatives. Final roots positives. Second one initial roots positive. Final roots negative. What is the answer? X greater than y. Next question number 44. Product value 12, sum value 7. One is 4, another one 3. Second one product 78, but sum is 19, 13 and 6. What is the answer? X less than y. No? X less than y. Next question number 45. X square plus 25x plus 136 equal to 0. 136. 17 8 times or 18 7 times? 17 8 times. అంటే minus 17 minus 8. Okay. 108. 12 9s are minus 12 minus 9. What is the answer? No relation. Minus 12 minus 8 and minus 9. What is the answer? No relation. Next question number 46. What is the first one product? 85. Sum value 22. Means minus 17 minus 5. Second one product 340. But sum value 37. Means minus 20 minus 17. What is the answer? X greater than or equal to y. Next simplifications. 56. Question number 56. First priority 555 divided by 5. How much? 111. 650 divided by 25. 26. 26. 3996 divided by 36. First 36 ones 36. Again one time. Again one time. 111 plus 111. 222 plus 26. 248. Next 57. 1.5, 4.5, 1.5. 4 and half we can return 1.5 into 3. No? What is the common value? 1 and half. What is the common value? 1 and half. What is the first term? 38. Second one, 3 into 48. 144. 144. 144 plus 16. 160 plus 38. 198. 1 and half into which one? 198. What is the one time value? 198. Half value? 99. Together how much? 297. Or 198, 11 multiple. How many options? Only one. Next question number 58. 4 by 9 of 63. 9 how many times? 7 4s. 7 how many times? 8 3s. Next 13 how many times? 9 3s. 27. 16 how many times? 7 7s. 49. First 28 plus 24. 52 no? Plus 27. 79. 79 plus 49. 128. Or end with 8. Next question number 59. 29% of 900 means 29 into 9. 23% of 600. 23 into 6. First 29 9 times. 9 into 20. 180. 9 9s 81. Total it is 261. 23 into 6. 138. 138. 261 plus 138. 399. Out of 699, we are subtracting 399. What is the remaining? 300. What percent of 60? It is divided by 392. First 16 2s how much? 32. Remaining 7, 72. It is exactly divisible by 16. 16 తో divisible అవుతుందా? No. 8 తో divisible అవుతుందా? 8 how many times? 2 times. 8 how many times? 4 times. Remaining 72. 9 times 49. 49 cancel. 49 2s 98. Cube root of 2197. Next square root of 100. 10. 98 plus 13. 111 plus 10 and 121. Which one square? Next question number 61. First priority 3024 divided by 189. More than 10 times but less than 20 times. What is the units position? Numerator 4. Denominator 9. And around 16 times. 16 power how much? 1 by 2. How much? 4. 703 divided by 19. More than 30 times but less than 40 times. End with 3. And 37. 37 square. What is the 37 square? 1369. Out of this one we are subtracting 412. First 69 minus 12. 57 plus 4 and 61. 13 minus 4. 9. 961. Which one square? Next question number 62. Square root of 1444. 38. Square root of 2025. 45 plus 2 into something, that is equal to, what is the 13 square? 169. 169 plus 166. Total it is 335. 335. Out of 335 we are subtracting 45. What is the remaining? 290. 290 minus 38. 252. Divide by 2. No? What is the answer? 126. Next question number 63. 8 cube means 512. 16 square 256. Exactly double or triple? Double. 2 into 32. 64. Out of 159 we are subtracting 64. What is the remaining? 95. Next question number 64. All are in mixed fractions. First priority integers. First 13 plus 13 26 minus 24 plus 2. No? Next 18 plus 2 20 minus 16 4. Next after that fractions are adding. First minus 2 by 28 plus 2 by 28 cancel. Plus 2 by 14 minus 2 by 14 cancel. What is the remaining? 2 by 7. What is the answer? 4 2 by 7. Next question number 65. First priority left hand side 25% of 56. 14. 30% of 120. 36. 36 plus 14. 50. Next right hand side 9 how many times? 135. 15 times. 5 into 15. 75. Right hand side 75. Left hand side 50. Difference in the 25. We required 25 square. What is the answer? Next arithmetic questions. Question number 47. A cask contains 100 liters of wine and 20 liters of wine is taken out from the cask and it is completely replaced with water. Means out of 100, 20 are removed, again 20 liters of water is added. Means wine is how many liters? 18. Then water becomes 20. After removed, wine becomes 18. Water becomes 20. That is after first operation. And P liters of the mixture is taken out from the cask and it is completely replaced with water. Means out of 100 liters, again P liters are taken, again it is replaced with water. And if the ratio between the wine and water in the final mixture 14:11. Final mixture or the milk and water ratio 14:11. Final mixture is how many liters? 100 liters. Same quantity removed. Replacement model or not? Same quantity are removed, again it is replaced with the same water or different? Same quantity of water. Total how many parts? 25 parts. 25 parts 100. Every one part 4. 14 parts 56. 56. Before removing, what is the wine quantity? 18. After removing 56. How many liters are removed? 14 or 24? 24. How many liters of wine is removed? 24. Okay. Just listen. Out of 80, 24 is what percent? 30%. Out of 80, 24 is how much percent? 30%. In wine, 30% are removed means water also 30% removed. What is the 30% of 20? 6. Okay. What is the removed wine? 24. Removed water? 6. Then removed quantity? 30. The 30 liters is P value, no? Yes or no? Before removed wine quantity is how much? 80. After removed 56. How many liters are removed? 24. The 24 is what percent of 80? 30%. In wine 30% are removed. Water also 30% are removed. Means 24 plus 6. How much? 30. That 30 is the P value. Next question number 48. 21 boys can complete a piece of work in 12 days, working 4 hours a day. 12 men will complete the same work with 40% more efficiency than that of a boy, working 5 hours a day. Then how many days to complete the work? First of all, how many boys are working? 21 boys. How many days? 12 days. Per day, how many hours? 4 hours. But next time, 12 men is complete the same work or different work? Same work. But with 40% more efficiency or less efficient? More efficiency. Suppose boys efficiency we are consider 5 parts. Then men efficiency 7 parts are. Okay. First case, how many boys are working? 21 boys. How many days are working? 12 days. Per day, how many hours? 4 hours. Okay. 5 means efficiency. 21 means number of boys. 12 means days. 4 means hours. M1, D1, H1. Next, right hand side. What is the each one men efficiency? 7 parts. How many men are working? 12 men. Those are working for some days. Some days. But per day, how many hours are working? 5 hours. Multiplied by 5. Left hand side work. Right hand side also work. Equal work or different work? Equal work. Left hand side 12. Right hand side 12 cancel. Left hand side. Next question number 49. A shopkeeper mixed 2 varieties of wheat at 32 rupees per kg and x rupees per kg. The respective ratio in the 2 types of wheat is 3:1. If the shopkeeper sold the mixture at a profit of 49 rupees per kg at a profit of 40%, and it is selling price of the mixture or cost price of the mixture? Selling price of the mixture. What is the question here? Find the value of x. We know the selling price of the mixture. It is converted to cost price of the mixture. Cost price of the mixture. First, cost price is always how much percent? 100%. 40% profit means selling price 140%. In place of 140%, how many rupees is given? 49. 0 cancel. 7 how many times? 2 times. 7. 70 by 2 and 35. That is cost price of the mixture or cost price of second quantity? Cost price of the mixture. First one quantity how many parts? 3 parts. First one per kg 32. Second one quantity 1 part. But second one per kg x. Then I written 3 into 32. It is total cost of how many kgs? 3 kgs. Next one 1 kg value per kg is how many rupees? X. 3 into 32 total cost of 3 kgs. 1 into x total cost of 1 kg. Both are adding, that is total cost of how many kgs? 4 kgs. What is the cost price of the mixture per kg? 35. Then 4 kgs cost means 4 into which one? 35. 435 is how much? 140. 3 into 32 96. What is the difference? 44. That is x value, no? We know the 140%, then we are get the 100%. That is cost of how many kgs? Each kg value, but converted to total cost. Next question number 50. 2 pipes P and Q can fill a tank in 60 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Pipe R can empty the tank in 15 minutes. If pipe P and Q open for 12 minutes, then pipe R is open, in how much time will take to empty the tank? How much time will take to empty the tank? Empty చేయాలన్నాడా ఫిల్ చేయాలన్నాడా? ఎంటీ అంటే డెఫినెట్గా 3 పైప్స్ వర్క్ చేస్తే ఎఫిషియన్సీ విల్ బి నెగటివ్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్? నెగటివ్. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ద P and Q టుగెదర్ టైం? Individually P time is given 60, Q time 40 and R time 15. What is the LCM? 120. 60 how many times? 2 times. 40 3 times. 15 8 times. But minus 8 or plus 8? Minus 8. And here pipes P and Q are open for how many minutes? 12 minutes. What is the together efficiency of P and Q? 5. But both open for 12 minutes. 12 5 is how much? 60. Means how many liters are already filled? 60 liters. But after 12 minutes, third pipe also opener. Means after 12 minutes, how many pipes are working? 3 pipes. Okay. But 3 pipes are working. Efficiency will be negative or positive? Negative. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 8, minus 3. When 3 pipes are work together, efficiency will be negative or positive? Negative. Means negative efficiency means we are taken completed portion or remaining portion? Completed portion. What is the completed portion? 60 liters. That 60 liters emptied by all the 3 pipes. How much time are taken? 20 minutes. Clear గా మెన్షన్ చేశాడు. ఎంటీ ద ట్యాంక్, ఫిల్ ద ట్యాంక్. ఎంటీ ద ట్యాంక్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఫిల్ అయి ఉన్న పార్ట్ని ఎంటీ చేయాలా లేదా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 51. Trinath spends 47% of his monthly salary to purchase a bike, 23% on miscellaneous expenditure. If he is left with 45,000, then how much amount has he spent on purchasing a bike? First of all, what is the bike percentage? 47. Miscellaneous 23. 47 plus 23, 70. Out of 100%, 70 complete. What is the remaining? 30%. But in place of 30%, how many rupees is given? 45,000. But we required bike cost. Bike means how much percent? 47%. 0, 0 cancel. 3 how many times? 1500. 1500. 15 40s. 600. 15 7 the 105. That is 705. Next question number 52. A shopkeeper, question number 52. A shopkeeper sold an article for 22,400 and he offered a discount of 10% on the selling price. Okay. What is selling price of the article? 22,400. In that how much percent discount? 10%. 10% discount means remaining value 90%. 90%. 90% of which one? 22,400. That is after discount or before discount? After discount. I would have earned a profit of how much? 12%. Find the cost price of the article. The same article is sold at a profit of how much? 12%. But we required cost price or selling price? Cost price. Okay. The same article is sold at a profit of 12%. Suppose cost price we are consider 100%. 12% profit means selling price 112. No? And we know the 112, but we required which one? 100%. We know the 112, but we required 100. 100 cancel. 112 double na. 92 is 180. What the answer? 18,000. షాప్కీపర్ సోల్డ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అవునా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 53. A boat can cover 240 kilometers upstream in 16 hours, while the same boat cover 200 kilometers downstream in 8 hours. From first one we are get the upstream speed, second one downstream speed. Find the distance covered by the boat in still water in 3.5 hours. Still water means we are taken only m value or s value? M value. Still water అన్నాడు కదా, అంటే m తీసుకోవాలా m plus s తీసుకోవాలా? m. First, what is the distance in downstream? 200. Time is taken 8 hours. What is the downstream speed? 200 by 8. How much అండి? 25 kilometer per hour. What is the upstream distance? 240. Time is taken 16 hours. Then upstream speed 240 by 16. How much? 15 kilometer per hour. We know the downstream speed. We know the upstream speed. Then we are get the m value and also s value. M means adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. 25 plus 15, 40 by 2 ante 20 na. Then m value 20 kilometer per hour. But we required distance or time? Distance. Distance nothing but speed multiplied by time. What is the time value? 3.5. What the answer? Next question number 54. The ratio between the length of a rectangle and breadth of a rectangle is 5:4. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 162 centimeters, the side of a square is 10 centimeters less than the length of the rectangle. Find the area of a square. Area of a square. First, length is how many parts? Breadth, sum of the parts. Perimeter, 18 parts. Perimeter means 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B, how many parts? 18 parts. What is the 18 parts value? 162. Every one part, 9. Then length of a rectangle, 5 parts. 5 parts is how much? 45. That is length of the rectangle. But side of a square compared to length of the rectangle, 10 less or 10 more? 10 less. Means side of a square, A na? What is the A value? 35. But required which one? Area of a square. Means required A square or A? A square. What is the answer? 1225. What is the A value? 35. Then A square? 35 square. 1225. Next question number 55. A sum of 3000 becomes 5400 in 8 years at the simple interest. If the rate of interest for the first 4 years is 14%, find the rate of interest for the last 4 years. First, what is the principal here? Amount. First 2 zeros cancel. 2 zeros cancel. Next 3 how many times? 10 times. 3 how many times? 18. Suppose 10 I consider 100%. Then 18 becomes 180%. Then principal is how much? 100%. Amount is how much? 180%. Means how much percent interest? That 80% interest received in how many years? 8 years. 8 years or only 1 year? 8 years. First 4 years rate of interest is given or not given? Given. What is the per annum rate of percent in first 4 years? 14%. 14 for the 56. That is first 4 years interest earned. Next, find the rate of interest for the last 4 years. Out of 80, already 56. What is the remaining? 24%. That 24% interest received in how many years? 4 years. And per annum 6% or 7%? 6%. What is R value? 6 or 7? 6. Out of 80, 56 is first 4 years. What is the remaining? 24. That is received in 4 years. Or a per annum rate of percent? 6%. Next. Arithmetic questions complete. 30. Pie chart question number 36. The pie chart given below shows the percentage distribution of number of t-shirts, boat neck plus Henley neck. And one is B, another one H. And sold by 5 different companies. Sold data is given or manufacturing data? Sold data. PQRST in the year 2021. All are given in percentage or value? Percentage. What is the first note? The ratio of the number of B and B to H sold by R is 5:4. B and H in R, what is the ratio? 5:4. Means one is 5x, another one 4x. One is 5x, another one 4x. The number of H t-shirts sold by S is 50% more than the B t-shirts sold by the same company or different company? Same company. 50% more means one is 2 parts, another one 3 parts. But which one is more? H or not? Okay. Suppose H value I consider 3y, then B value 2y. No? 50% more means one is 100%, another one 150%. 100% means 2y, then 150% means 3y. Next, what is the next line? The total number of B t-shirts sold by companies R and S together is equal to the total number of N-lay neck t-shirts sold by the same companies together is 700. And meaning 5x plus 2y equal to 700. 4x plus 3y also 700. Okay. And equal value or different value? Equal value. Then we return 5x plus 2y. It is equal to how much? 4x plus 3y. Right? Sure. What is the 5x and 4x difference? X. 2y and 3y difference? Y. Then x equal to y. X equal to y means x value same and y value also same. First one, 5x means we return 5x plus 2x. Total how much? 7x. 7x 700 means 5x is how much? 500 or 400? 500. First one 500. Second one 400. Third one 200. Next one 300. 500, 400, 200 and 300. Next, what is the R total value? 900. What is the S total value? 500. R total is how much? 900. S total value 500. What is the R percentage in diagram? 18%. Means 18% equal to how much? 900. Every 1%. 50 or 40? 50. 18% 500. What is the 1% value? 50. When 1% 50, then 100%? 5,000 or 4,000? 5,000. What is the first question? Means in these 5 questions, every question is related to 1% value. What is the 1% value? 50. What is the total number of t-shirts sold by all the companies or only one company? All the companies. All the companies means 100%. What is the 1%? 50. 100%. Next, question number 37. If in company T, 70% of the manufactured t-shirts are sold, find the total number of manufactured t-shirts by company T. Out of the total manufactured, 70% are sold. And here diagram, it is related to sold quantity or manufactured quantity. Sold quantity. Okay. Suppose manufactured 100%, then sold value 70% and sold value 70%. But in place of 70%, how much value is given? 35. 70%, 35%, then 100%, 50%. Yes or no? Out of 50%, 35% is sold. But manufactured value 50 or 30? 50. Manufactured 50%, but sold is 35%. What is the question here? Find the total number of manufactured t-shirts by company T. What is the 1% value? 50. మనకు కావాల్సింది 50%. What is the answer? 2,500. What is the 1%? 50. Then 50%, 2,500. Next question number 38. The respective ratio between the boat neck t-shirts and N-lay neck t-shirts in company Q is 12:13. Find the total number of N-lay neck t-shirts sold in that company. What is the company Q percent? 25%. That is split into which ratio? 12:13. Together how many parts? 25 parts. 25 parts 25%. Then every one part 1%. 12 parts అయితే 12. 13 parts అయితే 13%. But we required N-lay or neck boat? N-lay. N-lay అంటే ఎంత పర్సెంట్ అండి? 13%. What is 1% value? 50. 13%. 650. Next, question number 39. The total number of t-shirts sold in company U is 30% more than the company T. The ratio between the boat neck t-shirts and N-lay neck t-shirts is 11:14. And both the types of t-shirts are sold at 50 rupees each. Find the total amount earned by the company to sell the boat neck t-shirts. First, company U value compared to company T, how much percent more? 30% more. Already company T 35. 35%. Compared to 35%, 30% more. What is the 10%? 3.5. 30%? 10.5. Total how much? 45.5. Multiplied by which one? 50. That is total number of shirts sold. And it is split into which ratio? 11 is to 14. Together how many parts? 25 parts. And here question is related to find the total amount earned by the company to sell boat neck t-shirts. Boat neck t-shirts means how many parts? 11 parts, means 11 by 25 of 45.5 multiplied by 50. We are get the number of boat neck t-shirts sold. But each one how many rupees are selling price? 50 or 40? 50. Again multiplied by which one? 15. First we are get the number of shirts. Each one is how many rupees? 50. We require total cost means multiplied by 50. What is the numerator here? 11. Answer must be a multiple of 11. First option 11 multiple of S. Second option no. Third option no. Fifth one, fourth one no. Fifth one no. What is the answer? First one. Next question number 40. What is the ratio in the total number of t-shirts sold by company P and company R? What is the P percentage? 12. R percentage? 18. 12 and 18. What is the ratio? 2 is to 3. Next question number 41. The total number of t-shirts sold by company S is what percentage of the total number of t-shirts sold by all the companies? What is the S percentage? 10%. 10 out of the total kada. And the answer 10%. Already percentage kada ichindi. Out of 100, 10 is how much percent? 10%.